How to add clock on home screen iPhone. To get started, first of all go to your iPhone home screen. The home screen is the primary interface for accessing apps, widgets, and system controls. Over here, long press on any empty area of the home screen until the icons start to wiggle and a minus sign appears on each app icon. Go to the top left corner and tap on Edit. Then, tap on Add Widget. Here, scroll down and select Clock as shown. Swipe to view and choose the clock layout that you want and then tap on Add Widget. After that, tap on Done above. You have now successfully added the clock widget to the home screen. Following these steps, you can easily add clock on home screen iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.